Now let's see how the Hibernate mode works. To do this, we'll launch an instance. All the images compatible with this functionality will appear. As we saw earlier, the hibernation mode is not available for all instances. So we have to get an instance that is eligible for Hibernate mode. Here we'll take the M5 lot. We get warned that this service is not free. We still have the same options when creating. Enable sleep behavior, enable hibernation as additional shutdown behavior. So we can see here that for this mode to work, there must be enough memory in the system. In order to store RAM, the volume must be encrypted. We click on Next. We get a warning that we need our volume to be encrypted so that it can support Hibernate mode. Similarly, we need this space to store our RAM and data. Let's increase the size. We're going to do 24 gigs. Once done, click on Next. Now let's configure the security group. So I'm already in select the security group. So I'll take this one for example. It is allowed to communicate on the port 22. I check and launch my machine with my key pair. The machine is starting up. Once it is launched, we will connect to it. I'm going to log on to my machine, connect, and I will use AC2 Instance Connect mode. Directly from my console, my port 22 is enabled. I arrive at my machine, so I'm going to do an uptime. That's it, the machine starts, so I run the command again and it says the machine has been booted for 1 minute. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to quit my instance and I'm going to shut it down. In the actions, shut down and hibernate, I agree. The machine is shutting down. I will restart in a few moments. Now that my machine has stopped, I have waited a few minutes. I will restart it. Now that it is restarted, I'm going to log back on, connecting, still using AC2 Instance Connect. This time, if I do my uptime, we can see that the machine has been running for 4 minutes. This means that while I stopped my machine, the system continued to run thanks to the Hibernate mode. Now that this is done, it has been shown to work correctly. I'll shut it down now. I'll terminate the instance because it's a page service. That's it for Hibernate mode.